Kaspar.
Hi, Rick.
Would love for you to talk a little bit about your journey with Bank BRI, what you do and what the bank's doing overall.
I was working with one of the Google ventures. Back in the days, I was tasked to do what we call zero ratings for the next billion users of Google's. After that, we met with Rakyat Indonesia, and they said, hey, Kaspar, we want to do digital transformations. We want to accelerate these financial inclusions. How do we do it? The digital transformation started back in 2017. The essential advantage, or the unfair advantage back then, was a massive amount of data. We built a contextual risk management frameworks. And the second one is to build the best fraud detection service in ASEAN. And the third one is to build the best merchant assessment service in ASEAN.
When we talk to financial institutions, one of the biggest fears they have is, security and getting started. What was the driver for Bank BRI to start using cloud technologies?
We want to solve the direct problem. How do we convert our own customer to become agent Brelink? We start with that questions first. We have already got the solutions from Google. They've already indexed the whole maps of Indonesians and ASEAN. We've started the journey on using that particular solutions, that particular APIs. Banks like us, because we have 10,000 offices in Indonesia, we're the largest networks. We need to shift our business from B2C or B2B to B2B2C by having what we call the open API. We're the only open bank in Indonesia licensed by the regulators. And up to today, money flow through this open API is already close to $300 million, about $1 million to $1.5 million per hour right now.
Wow, okay.
So data is the new oils, right? We need the pipelines to transmit the oils or the data. So we built the open API. That's why end of 2018, we said, hey, let's go 100x. Let's go radical innovations on our core business. And by the end of 2018, we're the only banks who were given the license by the OJK to have a full digital lending, end-to-end.
So you must be pretty excited about the Google Cloud's region coming to Jakarta in 2020.
We are crazy about that, I think.